Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm bringing you a BOXYCHARM unboxing. So this is my March box. I got it a few weeks ago, but I just haven't been in the mood to do an unboxing because I didn't want to try on the products. But so what I'm doing is I'm just going to show you some of the products that I can actually try on. I'm going to show you everything, not some, I'm sorry, everything, but I won't be able to try on everything because I already have makeup on. So let's get started and I will show you what I got in my box. So for those of you that don't know about BOXYCHARM, it's a beauty box subscription. It's $25 a month. They also have different categories, like you can do 3 months, 6 months, I think, in a year. And I think if you do a year, it's a little cheaper. But you get 5 full-size products and you get to choose one item every month. Like they'll email you and they'll give you choices of what they're gonna have in the box, and not in the same box but different boxes, and then you can choose one of those items that you can get in your box. One thing that I'm not liking is that they're not putting the postcard anymore. So this is my second box without a postcard, so it's hard for me to tell you guys the products. I can show you the products, but it's hard for me to actually explain about the product because I don't have my postcard. I already opened it because I wanted to see if I can do a full makeup look for you guys like the last box, but I'll explain it to you guys. Let me get started. Stop talking. So this is all my stuff. So 5 full-size products. So I'm gonna start with the first product. The first product is Makeup Melt Away Cleaning Balm from Pharmacy. So it's the I guess it's a cherry scent. Oh duh, I'm smelling it and it's not, it's pink right here. So I thought it was the how do you get this? I think it's sealed, or it's, I don't have nails anymore. Oh, there we go. So ooh, it smells like cherries. It has a little spatula so you can get it out instead of sticking your fingers. That's good. I love that. I love the way they have that little lid to hold it. The next product is a hair mask, and it's by Project Beauty, and it's called Hair Gurt Almond Honey Intense Repair Yogurt Hair Mask with probiotics, quinoa, and super botanicals for beautiful hair. Actually, I use this and I like it. It smells so good. Banana? Hello, I love bananas. Honey? Who doesn't like honey? Almond honey, actually. So I actually liked it. It didn't leave my hair like super oily or anything. So really like it. Next product is eyeshadow palette, and it's by BOXYCHARM, and it's called Hello Charmer. I was gonna do my eyes with it, but I was like, I don't want to right now. I mean, I did do my makeup, but I just didn't feel like, honestly, I didn't want to waste the palette. But this is the colors of the palette. Aren't they gorgeous? They're so pretty. They're too glittery for me. I love them, but I hate to waste it and try it and then not be able to use it. Like, I would probably use some of the colors. Like, I would use these colors here for sure. I would use these right here, in that one, of course, these down here, but I would not use these on a regular basis. So I feel like I'm gonna waste the palette. I don't want to do that because I already have a lot of palettes that look like this. Not like this, but that have shimmers, and I don't want to waste the palette, so I'd rather do a giveaway and give it away. The next product, so this is my choice product. This is the product I chose, and it's QMS Medi Cosmetics. That's a tongue twister. Medi Cosmetics. Medi or Med Cosmetics. No, you don't pronounce the I. I don't know. It's a lip line corrector, lip serum. So we're gonna try it because I actually used to have a serum, lip serum from, I don't remember what company it was, and I loved it, and they discontinued it. I can't remember. It's been a while. So when I saw this, I was like, I'm gonna try it, and I made sure I read the ingredients. I looked it up and, you know, went on their website to see if they had tocopherol acetate, and it doesn't, so I wanna try it now. Okay, how do you open this? Oh, you twist it and it has a pump. Let's see, what does it say? Lightweight serum formulated to hydrate and plump the lips for a smoother, youthful appearance. Okay, so let's try it out. Pump, 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 pump. Oh, ooh, it's very liquidy. Put on my mirror. Okay, I'm gonna use my phone as my mirror. It's very watery, so, and it doesn't taste good. So that pumps, you know, the serum I used to have, it was almost like a cream, so you can put it on like a lip balm. Oh, it's getting messy. Well, I pumped too much, that's why. So it burns a little bit because my lips are very dry right now. Very dry, which I need to drink water. Oh. Hydrate yourself, guys. So I'm looking on the site to see so retail value, what? No, it says on here that it's $200. What you talking about, Willis? I know it's not $200. Well, anyways, I might be wrong. So it's a lip line corrector. It says, while the exclusive ingredients complex with the 3-phase lifting effect of designed to restore skin to youthful and plump condition. It did hydrate my lips. It did help with the lines, like, because my lips were dry, so I could see it. I could see that it did kind of smooth out my lips. And I'm gonna go find out if it's $200. So the next product is Becca Glow Gloss. So this is a lip gloss, I guess. Oh, pretty! It's like a bronzy lip gloss. So I'm gonna try it on, and it's a sponge applicator. So let's try this on. I can smell mint. I wonder if it's a plumper too. All right, so it's a very, very clear gloss. Well, it's nice, but it doesn't do much. So it has no color. As you guys can see, it's just like a clear gloss. No color. Okay, so that is all my stuff that came in my BOXYCHARM. The lip plumper, which I'm gonna keep trying. What I'm probably gonna do is put it on a brush and put it on that way, so I don't waste it. Can't wait to try the balm tonight when I clean my face. Like I said, I already tried this and I loved it. And the shadows, I will probably give them away for when I do a giveaway next time. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for my next BOXYCHARM unboxing.